It's a passion project that is slowly growing. We've all got full-time jobs outside of this, therefore the name Moonshiner. It's our little moonlighting experience.
It's about having a bit of a laugh and not taking it too seriously, but at the same time, making really good gins that people want to drink. One of the things we really wanted to do was to try and source as much as we possibly could locally. We do a bit of foraging in order to get some of our ingredients, and we love our local area with our neighbours, and just the feel of the inner west in Sydney is a great place to be. We kind of want to put our local area in a bottle. It's kind of like urban botanicals.
It's very Marrickville. It's a real broad section of the community who come in. It's a very friendly place. We're as much here for a chat as we are to serve some really nice drinks for people. We're really keen to show people the process of how things are created.
So there's 3 stills in operation at the moment in Moonshiner. Just about everything that's being done at Moonshiner is quite custom. The electronics is all being built from the ground up to actually control the system. The vast majority of the copper work there was all custom made by specialty boiler makers.
So if you're trying to find us, there's a baker above us, great old 70s red brick building, and our black and pink sign out the front. You won't miss us.